Ever feel like your body's hit the pause button after 50? What if I told you that just a few simple exercises could press play again, transforming not just how you look, but how you feel? Let's jump right in. You won't want to miss this. Welcome to your new go-to guide for fitness after 50. Today, I'm sharing simple yet powerful exercises designed to transform your body without overwhelming you. No complicated moves, no expensive equipment, just easy steps that deliver real results. Ready to get started? Exercise 1. Squats. First up, squats. These might seem basic, but don't underestimate their power. Squats target your legs and glutes while also engaging your core. Start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself like you're sitting in an invisible chair, then rise back up. Not only do squats build strength, but they also improve balance, a key to staying active and independent. Exercise 2. Modified push-ups. Next, let's move on to modified push-ups. This variation is easier on the joints while still working your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start on your knees with your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Lower your chest towards the ground, then push back up. This simple move strengthens your upper body and helps maintain muscle tone. Exercise 3. Seated leg extensions. Now grab a chair for seated leg extensions. Sit comfortably, extend one leg out straight, hold for a few seconds, then switch to the other leg. This exercise is great for keeping your leg muscles strong, which is crucial for everyday activities like walking or climbing stairs. Exercise 4. Standing calf raises. Let's give those calves some attention with standing calf raises. Stand tall, lift your heels off the ground, hold for a moment, then lower back down. This move not only strengthens your calves, but also improves circulation and balance. Plus, it's super easy to fit into your day. Exercise 5. Wall sits. Finally, let's finish with wall sits. Stand with your back against a wall, slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle, and hold. Wall sits are fantastic for building lower body strength and endurance without putting strain on your joints. Challenge yourself to hold a little longer each time. Conclusion. And there you have it. 5 simple exercises that can transform your body after 50. These moves are designed to be easy, effective, and accessible for anyone, regardless of fitness level. Remember, it's never too late to start, and every step you take brings you closer to a stronger, healthier you. So why wait? Start today and see the transformation for yourself.